Oh.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Aw, sad. My nail just came off. It's okay. They're press-ons from Walmart. Oh well. Looks like we're filming this video with one nail off.
I am dead inside.
Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering what affiliate marketing and network marketing are and what's the actual difference between these two business models, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm gonna be talking about affiliate marketing versus network marketing, also known as MLM, so you can make the best choice for yourself. So if that's something you're interested in, then just keep watching. And I'm gonna do my best. Wrong side. Wait, which side is my heart on?
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
I'm gonna do my best to be as unbiased as possible in this video and just give you guys the facts. Affiliate marketing can really be described in two words, and that is referral program. As an affiliate marketer, the way you make money is by going and signing up for a company's affiliate marketing program. That company will then give you a custom link, and as you go and start to refer those products that you're an affiliate marketer for, when people buy those products through your link, that company then pays you a commission of that product.
Cash money, I'm gonna make it rain.
If you guys want to learn more about affiliate commissions and what's a good commission and what's not and how much people can actually make off of affiliate marketing, I have a video here that I will link down in the description below for you to go check out. So the money, it comes from commissions, but one of the best ways to be profitable with affiliate marketing is to build either a following or an audience that trusts you. And honestly, that can take some time. As an affiliate marketer, you also have the option to promote as many products as you would like. So network marketing or multi-level marketing, or MLM for short. So if you see that out there on the internet, network marketing or MLM, know that it is the same thing. But network marketing is essentially an expanded version of a referral program, but it can be a tad more confusing than affiliate marketing. People who work in network marketing can also get commissions off of products just like an affiliate marketer, but in addition to that, they also receive commissions for building teams. And typically within network marketing, those commissions are much higher for building teams than they are for selling products. So as a network marketer, your main goal is to recruit and sign up people to be on your team. And when people sign up through you, they have the same options as you, which is either selling products or building a team of their own, and they will receive commissions for both of those. And they'll probably be receiving the same commissions as you. But as you continue to expand your downline, which is what it's called, or your team of people who you have recruited, the more money you're going to make. And you may be asking yourself, is network marketing a pyramid scheme? And some sources say that all MLMs are essentially pyramid schemes, even if they are legal. And I also want to note that most network marketers will typically only promote products from one single company. So they won't be a network marketer for multiple different companies. They'll choose one company and only promote products and build a team within that company. Most affiliate programs are free to join. So that means your startup costs as an affiliate marketer are low or even free. But as an affiliate marketer, you're going to be working to build your brand. So that may include costs down the road, like if you want to invest in training or software or anything else you want to invest in to build your business. In the strategy that I teach, I do recommend affiliate marketers buy and use the products they are promoting. So I do include that in the startup costs, but depending on what type of products you want to promote, your startup costs are going to be relatively low compared to starting any other business. For network marketing, distributors are usually required to purchase a startup kit, and those prices of those startup kits are going to vary depending on what type of company you're a network marketer for, but those kits are there to help you jumpstart your business. So while the startup costs may be more expensive, you may be getting more resources to help you run and start your business. And from what I've seen, both business models are easily scalable depending on the amount of work you want to put into it. For both, I think it's important to consider it an investment, not a cost. And your goal for both business models is to get a return on your investment sooner rather than later. Now let's talk about those pros and those cons when it comes to affiliate marketing. So the pros of affiliate marketing are: one, there's an extensive marketplace and products. So you have a variety of companies and products to choose to be an affiliate marketer for that fit into your lifestyle and what you're doing in your business. Number two, you don't have to hold inventory or be in charge of customer service. You're essentially acting as the glorified salesperson for this company. So once you refer people, the company is then in charge of delivering and handling customer service for that product. Third, you can just focus on getting better at selling. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you're not having to put in the time or the money to create a product, and you can just focus on getting better at selling and marketing, which is skills most people don't have, and that's why they fail in business. And fourth, affiliate marketing is super flexible. You can dictate your own hours. You can work from anywhere. Affiliate marketing is not dependent on your location, so as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can do affiliate marketing from anywhere. And some of the cons of affiliate marketing is: one, it can get lonely, and you won't have a team you're working with unless you choose to hire somebody. So when you first start out with affiliate marketing, it is essentially a one-man show, and you're in charge of building everything you need to get your affiliate marketing business up and running. And number two is inconsistent income. Your money with affiliate marketing is commissioned based. So when people don't buy through those links, you're not making money. So it can be a little unpredictable. And the third con is there are a lot of product options. And I know that this is a pro in affiliate marketing, but sometimes it can be a con. When there's so many products to choose from, you can get overwhelmed pretty easily. You're not sure what you want to promote, and that can stop your momentum. Now it's time to talk about the pros and cons of network marketing. So some of the pros are: one, you get access to specific training at the start. So because as a network marketer, you're required to purchase that startup kit, you're getting resources and tools given to you that you can start using right away. Whereas an affiliate marketer, you may have to go look for those tools and those trainings all by yourself. And two, the people who recruited you are there to help you succeed, because they only make money if you do. So you already have a team of people who are there pushing you to succeed, because they only get paid if you do well. And third, network marketing is flexible. You can work from your phone, your computer, from literally anywhere. And some of the cons of network marketing is it can have a bad rap. And so if you're trying to recruit people into your team and they may think that this is scammy or it's a pyramid scheme, you may have a harder time recruiting people. And while yes, there are plenty of network marketing companies out there that are not scams, they're legit, they're good companies that offer good products, there are also a lot of really crappy pyramid schemes out there, and so that can kind of give network marketing a bad name. And two, you may be pressured to hit certain quotas. Because you're a part of a team, you may feel the pressure from your mentors to hit those certain quotas, and it may bring unnecessary stress and anxiety into your life. And third, it's really hard to recruit people. And even if you're amazing at recruiting people onto your team, it can be really hard to teach recruiting, because not everyone is good at recruiting people. And in fact, recruiting people is probably one of the harder things you can learn to do. And so if your earnings depend on getting people onto your team, you may really suffer, because either you're not great at recruiting or the people you're recruiting aren't great at it either. So which one do you choose? Affiliate marketing or network marketing? It largely depends on what your goals are. But I can tell you this, that neither business model is going to pay you any money unless you put in the work.
What?
But you're here and you're doing the research, and I am so proud of you for doing that. So hopefully this video has given you enough information to be able to make the best decision for yourself. But I would also love to know down in the comments below, tell me your opinion. Which one's better? Which one's worse? Have you had good experience or bad experiences with one or the other? I would just love to know all the deets. So make sure you drop that down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps support my channel so much, and it means the world to me. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.